To us, insects may seem like the best parents. After mating, the female usually lays her eggs, then either leaves or dies. Without protection, many of the eggs and newly hatched young are eaten by predators. Other insects starve after hatching because they can't find enough food to eat. But moms of the treehopper species, Umbonia ateleba, give their young a better start in life. Treehoppers are small insects that survive by sucking juices from living plants. Treehoppers are also called thorn bugs, but they are not true bugs. Because of their body structure, they belong to the order Hemiptera and are therefore related to cicadas, aphids, whiteflies, and scale insects. Although treehoppers are found all over the world, they are especially common in the warm tropics. The species Umbonia altiba live along the edges of tropical forests in Central America. One thing that makes treehoppers different from most other insects is that they often care for their eggs and young. After mating, an Umbonia mom lays about 90 eggs near the tip of a tender branch. Then she sits silently below the eggs, guarding them against predators. If a hungry lizard, bird, or grasshopper comes along, the treehopper does her best to keep it away, standing in front of or over her eggs to protect them. Sometimes she'll even kick at the predator or spread her wings to startle the intruder and drive it off. After the eggs hatch, the female treehopper continues her guard duty, but now she has other responsibilities as well. The young treehoppers, called nymphs, must feed on plant juices if they are to survive. Mom uses her sharp beak-like mouth to drill feeding holes through the bark of the branch. The nymphs move to these feeding holes and start sucking juices. The nymphs don't look anything like their brightly patterned mom. They are brown or yellow and blend in with the bark of the branch. The camouflage helps them hide from predators. As they grow, the young treehoppers molt 4 times. Each time they shed their skin, they look more like the adult treehoppers. However, they still need their mom to guard against predators and drill feeding holes for them. If something happens to her before the nymphs reach adulthood, they usually die. It takes Umbonia nymphs about 6 weeks to grow up. When they molt for the 4th time, the young treehoppers are finally adults. Now they can drill their own feeding holes. They also have a useful appendage called the pronotum, which projects like a crest above the treehopper's body, making the insect look like a thorn on a twig. The pronotum is hard and sharp and helps to keep the treehoppers from becoming a meal for a lizard or other animal. As adults, the treehoppers are also ready to begin mating, and soon the females fly through the forest to lay their own eggs. Mom's mission is now accomplished. An Umbonia female only raises one clutch of young in her life, and then she dies. However, by giving her young a head start, Mom has helped make sure that the forest will be filled with treehoppers for generations to come.